Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Let me get my window open up here because it keeps on moving. Anyways, this video is going to be about the Samson Business Financing account. You guys might have already checked out that video that Credit Plug dropped. I've been meaning to drop this video for a couple months, but he beat me to it. But check him out too. He put out some good data points on his video about it as well. But if not, I'm just going to break this video down pretty short and simple, okay? And let you guys know my situation on what I got approved for. I think he got approved for $15,000, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I got approved for $12,000. Now, a few data points with Samson Business Financing is you can buy like pretty much anything Samsung makes, and they make more than just cell phones, okay? So just a little overview real quick. I'll have the link in the description below as well. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, but so it's Samson Business Financing, as you can see here. Get approval faster than you can get coffee. Buying best-in-class technology is breeze with Samson Business Financing. Get approval and start shopping in as little as 30 seconds. Get financing to keep your business growing. Easily add extra devices with net terms, no fees, and revolving line of credit that expands with your evolving business. So it's not just like a net 30. They give you a little bit longer time to pay, which is nice. But I'm going to give you guys like a heads up right now about them because a lot of people don't understand the underwriter. It's not Samson. Let me try to find the card here. I know this doesn't really matter and stuff, but it does. So there's Crutchfield. I made a video about TrevPay, which is MSTS. That is the same as the Best Buy card. You can see here. You can see it says MSTS. Sorry, I got tape on the back of it, but it's MSTS. They're basically just the underwriter for Samson Business Financing. So if you have an account with, say, Crutchfield or brain fart here, Best Buy, then it's going to be the same underwriter. And don't expect, if you have both of those, you got both of those approved, don't expect that you can definitely get approved with, even though it's the same underwriter, that you can definitely get approved with Samson Business Financing, even though it is through the same underwriter, MSTS. I actually called them before I got approved and got some data points. I know Credit Plug had said you have to be in business for 3 years. The lady I spoke to kind of gave me some mixed information, but I'll get to that here in a minute. Let me read a little bit more about it. So, excuse me, my voice here. I've been recording all day. So get all-in-one management for uninterrupted cash flow. Manage everything all in one easy-to-use online service. Receive and pay invoices in 30 or 60 days. Assign authorized buyers and more. And then you can apply now. All right. So you apply now, and like it says here, your business line of credit will be available for you to shop during the checkout, and you may be able to be approved immediately as little as 30 seconds and start shopping and using it, okay? So manage cash flow, receive invoices, pay in 30 or 60 days, just like I just said above there. Keep using it. Your company can continue using your credit line for additional purchases, And then down here, new to Samson Business Financing. With Samson Business Financing, your business can buy with dedicated business line of credit, no fee, with no fee on Samson.com or using Shop Samson app. Receive an instant decision and pay in 30 to 60 days, like I said. Buy today, pay invoices at your convenience before each due date. Assign and manage authorized buyers in your team. Keep and use the credit line for future purchases. You can see down here it says Trev Pay reserves the right to charge entrance on late payments. You will pay no fee if invoices are paid by the due date. So there's no fees as long as you pay on time. And it says here current Samson Business Financing customers. You can check, view everything. So that's where you're going to be to manage your account. Okay. They got tons of products here, even pre-owned products. I'm not going to bore you with all that. Okay. I will go into the little FAQs here, just in case you guys had a few questions there. What is, the Samson Business Financing? In fact, I'm not even actually going to go through all this because it's just kind of redundant. You guys can go through this, but you need to be in business for 2 years, like it says here, and you need to establish business credit showing positive credit history with your employee identification EIN number. Sole proprietors may apply if they have an EIN number. So that's pretty unique too. So how do you apply? I just explained that to you. It's a short application. I'll go over that in a minute. Will affect your personal credit score? No, because they don't pull your personal credit. Can I apply for a limit increase? Yes, you can. They're actually very easy to do limit increases. I've done limit increases with Best Buy. I think it was $10,500, I believe, and got $18,000 if I'm not mistaken. And then with Crutchfield, I believe it was $5,000. It got raised like $8,000 or something like that. I keep losing track, but I just raised them both recently. So they're pretty easy to work with. It's just, like I said, it's the same company as TrevPay, MSTS. Let me see if it's. I know they don't report to the business credit bureaus because MSTS TrevPay doesn't report Best Buy or Crutchfield, unfortunately. I've even tried to get them to do that with the NAV, or not NAV, but the Credit Builder program with Dun and Bradstreet, and they refuse to. So unfortunately, that sucks, but it does give you business credit, and you could use them, I guess, as a trade reference, because you will get like account rep, and sometimes you do need a like a trade reference, so you could use that, if you got approved or whatever. But anyways, it's very easy to apply. Here's the application. I'm not going to bore you with it all too much, but keep in mind you need to be in business for at least 2 years. I don't know how strict they are on that. I applied using my 3-year-old business, so I was able to get approved. I tried to apply for everything with my new business, but some of these ones that require at least 2 years in business, like a lot of the Citibank, Home Depot, they require 2 years or longer. I'm getting some of those to show you guys who they report to and how much you can expect and all that. But anyways, you create your Samson business account, and the application is pretty self-explanatory. That's all for this video. I didn't mean it for it to be actually this long. I'm trying to shorten up all my videos. Anyways, I appreciate you guys hanging through this. The link will be in the description. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm really working hard to grow this channel even bigger. And double check that you are already subscribed and you have all notifications turned on, not just the personalized, but all notifications turned on, because I have tons of new videos coming out. Like I said in the last video, I'm shooting on 40 to 50 videos before the end of the year. Now that I have my old office manager back working for me, and he's working here in the studio, helping me out with everything, keeping me productive. Sorry guys for my voice. I've recorded too much today, but please, again, don't forget to share the video on Facebook or whatever, and just apply. If you already applied, you got approved, let us know how much you got approved for. It helps other people, so please put it in the comment section. Really appreciate it. And again, thank you again for your time. As always, love you guys. And until next time, you guys take care. All right, bye-bye.